Helping Hands Short Moral Story. One sunny day, a little bird hurt its wing and couldn't fly back to its nest. Emma and Jack, two friends, saw it struggling. Jack said, "Let's leave it, someone else will help." But Emma gently picked up the bird and said, "Helping is everyone's job." She built a small box for the bird to rest and fed it seeds. Jack, inspired by her kindness, joined in. Together, they cared for the bird until it was strong enough to fly. As the bird soared into the sky, they felt proud. Moral: helping others, no matter how small, makes the world brighter for everyone. Thanks for watching.